Most stick-vac has a misleading claims like runtime up to 45 minutes or an hour. You may have to turn on high power option, which will only last you for a good 20 or 25 minutes max. Hi, Andy here. We are the pneumatic master distributor in Malaysia, and in this video, we're going to run through this. Do you need an upright vacuum, stick vacuum, or a traditional canister vacuum? It can be difficult to choose, especially with so many cool looking vacuums out there. But we're going to run through from a practical point of view for each type so that you know which one will work best for you. And if you already have either one with you, stick around. We'll let you know why you might need another unit of vacuum cleaner. Upright vacuum. Upright vacuums have one-piece unit that generally have large cleaning head, work well for cleaning large area at quick pace. They are usually corded and have reasonably powerful suction. Some of it has motorized brush that work deep into the palm to thoroughly clean rug or fitted carpets. The broad cleaning head make it easier to clean large area, allowing you to clean quickly and easily in straight lines. The majority of upright vacuums are bagless and have relatively large dust container that doesn't require frequent emptying. Things to consider for upright vacuum are, this type of vacuum is not as flexible or maneuverable compared to a canister or a stick vacuum. If you need to tackle stairs, sofa upholstery, or tight edges, you will need to use hose attachment and carry the upright vacuum unit with you, which make it very inconvenient. Stick vacuum or stick vac. Stick vacuum have their motor and dust container housed at the top of the unit near the handle, and they are usually more expensive than canister or upright vacuum if they are same quality. They are often cordless, which is convenient as there's no need to switch between power outlets or gather up cords when you are done. You can also vacuum car interior, storeroom, and other places where you might not have power outlets. Part of the stick vacuum can be detached from the stick to use it as a handheld model for spot cleaning. Very useful if you have kids around the house, those sugar spills and crumbs that they produce multiple times a day. Because it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, it often can reach halfway under most of the furniture. Things to consider are stick vac often have small dust containers that need regular emptying. And because of cordless option, it has limited run times, which means your vacuuming task is being subjected by time rather than cleanliness. It would be a challenge if you're being told to finish the vacuuming within 25 minutes. Unless you split the cleaning areas to accommodate the limitation of the battery runtime of the stick vac, which I think is a bummer to do so. Most stick vac has a misleading claims like runtime up to 45 minutes or an hour. However, those claims are using low power option in the stick vac, which is good enough for light vacuuming. If you want to deep clean, you may have to turn on high power option, which will only last you for a good 20 or 25 minutes max. Canister vacuum. Canister vacuum have their motor, bag, dirt container in a body that is separate from the cleaning head, attached through a flexible hose. They are significantly quieter than an upright vacuum because the motor is better insulated and there is more space to house the motor. Canister vacuum usually have better suction power than upright or stick vac that are similarly priced. And speaking of space, it has larger area for the bag to contain the dirt, so you don't have to empty the dirt every single time, and the cleaning head is easy to maneuver, especially around and under the furniture. Things to consider are, while the cleaning head is maneuverable, the vacuum body can be annoying to drag behind you. Make sure you select a good quality vacuum that can be dragged by flexible hose rather than have to carry the canister vacuum every time you move around. And the wheels of the vacuum is steady enough to avoid tip over while you drag it by vacuum hose. Canister vacuum are usually bag rather than bagless, which is a good thing because bag vacuums are way better in containing the dirt and dust so that it won't blow back to your home. But make sure the seller or manufacturer replacement bag is widely available and affordable are the keys here. So with that, if you love the convenience of cordless, you should stick with a cordless stick vac. Upright vacuum are easy to use and usually the quickest option when vacuuming large area without many obstacles. Canister vacuum are arguably the best option for all-rounders, whether for large area or getting into corners and narrow space. And you don't have to stick with just one. For example, canister and stick vac can coexist in your home or office. More and more people, including me, have stick vac and canister vacuum at home. Canister vacuum is for the normal cleaning so that I can take my time, whereas stick vac is for quick clean, like breadcrumbs and sugar spill by my child. Once you get used to the convenience, it's very hard for you to go back to just either one type of the vacuum. Alright, hope you get some insight of this. If you're looking for an industry-leading, super silent, powerful vacuum, I'll put the link down. Give us a follow if you're on Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.